How to make a game pass in Please Donate. So if you want to make a game pass in Please Donate, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Roblox application, or you can also go with your browser and open up your Roblox. After opening, you can just simply go with the create section, which is on the top left. After that, go with dashboard, which is on the top left again. From the dashboard, you need to go and select your experience. Once you're under your experience, you need to go with the left side, which is right here. And here you will have an option of passes. Under monetization, you need to click on passes. Under passes, now if you want to create a game pass, then you just need simply go with create a pass. And from here, you need to enter the image if you want to, and then enter the name, and then enter the description, and go with create pass, which is here on the bottom. Once you've created the pass, you'll have all of your passes right here. You need to just click on the pass that you've just created, and here on the left side, you will have sales option. Go with sales, and you need to enable the item for sale and enter the default price. After entering the default price, you need to go with save changes. Once you've saved your changes and once you've created your pass, the next thing you need to do is just go back. And once you're here on the home page, you need to search for Please Donate. Once you find Please Donate, you need to just click on it and join the Please Donate. Claim an empty stand, and it will show all of your passes right there. In this way, you'll be able to make a game pass and Please Donate. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.